Hi, my name is Stacy. I'm the founder of Airveil filters. There we go. These are patented nanotechnology filter inserts for your DIY or professional mask. Perhaps you're making a face mask at home, or you've purchased a face mask that requires a layer of filter or even another layer of filter. These are a very lightweight, extremely breathable, light felt. It's like a mix between a paper and a fabric. And they simply insert into the pocket of a mask, if you've got a pocket in yours, or can sew a pocket into your mask. These are really cool, happy face masks that have, here's another one, that has a filter pocket in the lining, like here. So this inserts in, and then you tuck it behind the second seam, and it stays, and it covers nose to chin, cheek to cheek. They will filter even when wet. For instance, activated carbon, like a lot of filters on the market those don't filter when they're wet or contain moisture. And if you think about all the moisture that you exhale into your mask, you're probably not being protected at all. So these are these test to N95, which means they are not labeled N95 because they're not a mask that can be tested as a mask. They are a component of masks that have tested to N95 standards. So so they're very highly rated, available online. Thank you very much. Voila!